back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a very pink makeover look. So obviously I've already got my pink hair and my pink top. This is literally the only pink top I own. I'm not really a very pink person, so giving myself a pink makeover is certainly something very different. I actually got this idea from watching Kennedy Walsh, and she did giving herself a blue makeover, and I thought it was really amazing and a really good idea for a video as well. So I was sort of inspired by that, but I'm doing pink. And of course I'll leave a link to her video down below as well. So let's get on with doing my very pink makeover look. So this is my finished pink transformation. As you see, it's a lot of bright pink. It's just a lot of pink. There's not really much else you can say. But as I said before, I am not a pink person. I don't wear pink. I don't even wear pink lipstick. Like, this is just not my colour. And this is the only pink top that I own. So this was certainly a different look for me to do. And it was actually a lot of fun. It was more fun than I thought it would be. But yeah, I actually quite like the look. I've kind of surprised myself. I actually really like the pink eyeshadow. I think I need to wear pink eyeshadow a lot more. But you have to let me know what you think of this. And if you think I should do another colour makeover, what colour should I do? Because I'm honestly not sure. I've sort of done a purple one before, so I don't really want to do that again. But I suppose I could use different purples. I don't think I did purple eyeshadow. I can't remember. Either way, if you want to see that look, I will link it in the I button up in one of these corners. I can't remember which one. But I hope you liked this video. Please get a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did. And I will see you soon with another. Bye!